Let us understand how to make college canteen food service website. It's an online website which is designed using ASP.NET technology with the language C Sharp and the backend as SQL Server. So SQL Server is a database server where you can store all the data. So it's a type of new concept we can implement to the canteen, particularly college canteen where students go and collect the food. So if you're looking for a new project idea, so I think this is also one good idea. So you can implement this project in the college canteen. Therefore, student can uh, order the food which they want, and they can make the payment online. So here we talk about the web technology. In case of web technology, you can do it in ASP.NET with C Sharp. You can do it in Java, JSP with MySQL, or you can use PHP, Python with MySQL. So these are the four major technologies. One is ASP.NET, JSP, PHP, Python. Anyone we can use to build the web applications. So in this we'll show you the demo in .NET, but still you can able to do the same project in JSP or PHP or in Python. Now let's look at the project modules. So first one is the admin module. So in case of admin module, so for a canteen, what all they can manage, that options will be provided in the admin module. And the student module. In case of student module, student can sign up and they can log in. They can check the food availability and they can place an order for the food, and they also can make the payment. So here are the options for admin main page. Category, food category and the corresponding list. Product details, that means what are the food product, that detail and the corresponding list. FAQ entry, FAQ is a frequently asked questions and the corresponding list. This one is important, order list. What are the orders placed by the student, that admin can view it here. Then this is the customer list or student list, and the payment list. What are the money they paid, that list will come. And special occasion booking, like apart from this regular food, they can also place an occasion booking where they want a bulk food order. So that is what in a special occasion. And the recharge, so they can come to canteen and they can do the recharge, and the recharge list, what are the recharge done, that list. That means student can have a account, for that account they can charge, and that they can consume when they place an order. So here is the student options. Student can see the category list, they can see the product list, they can see the FAQ list, they can check the balance amount, how much amount they are having in their account, pay online, they can transfer the money to the account, previous orders, so order list actually, and then the payment details, special occasion booking. So here if they want to make birthday, okay, birthday or some gathering and all, that is a special occasion, they can book for it. And regular food ordering can be done via this option. So these are two main modules, one is admin, one is the student. In this student, these are the options which are provided. So we all know, like, canteen, all the students sometime will come at once, and everybody want some food. But for the administration, it's little difficult to manage all the student at a one particular time. So therefore, if they place order in advance, the canteen can easily manage the food and they can deliver easily. That's the advantage the canteen get. And also, if you make the payment online, so there is no need to one more person to collect the payment and all. So it automatically done. So that is what peak hours. So in order to manage the peak hours, online order means canteen get the lot of benefits. So I'll show the demo now. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe is very simple. So next to the our channel name, you can see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe, and subscription is free actually. You don't need to worry. And you want to say something to us, write it in the comment and then click the comment button. You can like or share that video. And also you can right click on our iBlix tutorials and then click on videos. You can able to see all the videos what we already published in this channel. So here you can see that videos. So these are the videos we come out. So we have around 400 project videos, and also, like, how to do a project in VB.NET, C Sharp, PHP, all are provided over here. So please, when you have time, please come to this page and watch the videos. So there are two advantages you will get. One is, maybe for your curriculum, you can select the project, which project it interested for you. The other one is, if you make the project your own, you'll get an experience. That experience definitely count to get the job. So therefore, if you make few projects from this and you make it ready in the interview time, if you give the presentation, so you have a good chance to observe by the company. So keep trying which are the project you are interested, watch them and then try to make the projects. So please subscribe. That is what we are looking from you. Um, uh, okay, fine. So now let's see the project and let's understand how to work with this particular project. So here is a Visual Studio. So I already opened the project and you can see that whenever you give the file, you can give the proper name for each file. So therefore there will not be any confusion. So what is there inside the file, that can be easily understood by seeing the file name. And here is the Server Explorer. You can see that this is the canteen database and these are the tables which you are using in this particular project. So you can give the a proper name for each and every table. Right, let us run the project and I'll show you like how the whole project works. Okay, so I'll close this and I'll go to stop this. Now I'll run the project again from the here IIS server. Right click on this and then go to canteen management and here is a localhost. Click on this. Now what happened? So this independently run from the this source code. So I can make changes here. Therefore, what are the changes I do that will be implemented in the this browser. Fine. So here is a main page. So a simple page. We have some few pictures and the click over here. You can add up more pictures for your main page and also you can add content. It's good actually. You can write down your name, your college name, all these things. Right. So let's go to the next page. Here some simple description is provided. Next to that is the admin module and the student login and student sign up also is provided. First let's go to admin login. So here is admin, then admin. So here are the options. Category, if you look at the category, beverages, breakfast, fast food, regular lunch, all are provided over there. And if you want more category, you need to create the category here and then you have to save this one. And then product list. Here we have two products. One is regular lunch mini. So then there is a one beverage. And let's add up some breakfast here. And you can also add some pictures to that. So product code, that is I can write as a masala dosa. So masala dosa is a South Indian dish, famous dish here. I can write more about it. Crispy masala dosa. Right. So this is the breakfast, and price is 40 rupees. Okay. And the picture. Okay, we can upload the picture here. Okay. So click the choose file. Then I can go to D drive here. So here you can see that there is a picture masala dosa. Open this and then save it. So here's a message, record saved successfully. So therefore we created the this item. And FAQ is concerned, like you can have a more FAQ. And here is the order list and the customer list. So here is the customer A1 and their mobile number and the mail ID. So if they place an order, that we can able to see it here. Okay, now let us log in as a student. I'll copy the main address. Okay, so you can go to sign up and sign up here. If you already signed up, so I can just log in here. So now you can see that a student can see the category. You can see the product, what are the products are available here. Then FAQ list, and then you can check the balance. In this account, it is 1970. That is the balance amount. Right. So pay money online. So you want to add money to your account, you can add here. Okay. First, let's go to order the food. So we go to breakfast. So there is a product here. So masala dosa. You can see that the picture is also will come. And here is the details. So how many quantities you require? Let's say you have 4 friends and you require 4 thing. So you can place 4 and then place an order. And you want to more, then you can search for other product. Beverages. There is 1 here. Select. Again 4 you can take. Order. Right. So then you can go to view cart. So here you can see that 2 products. So this is the 4 number. This is the 4 number 40. Then confirm the order. So here is a date actually. String dot format. So 0 DDMMYYY date time dot today. So it have dot to string, so that I remove now. So dot to string here it is not required because once you convert it as string, converting again to the date format may be difficult. So therefore we are using string dot format. So no need of dot to string here. Okay, it's only datetime dot today. But it should be in a DDMM YY format. Fine. Now it's rectified and I refreshed it. Okay, it's saved. The order is done. So the bill amount is 200. Now if you go and check the balance, so you get that your amount is deducted from the your account. So when you don't have the account, so you can't place an order. It tells you that you don't have money. So here is a previous order list. What are the order you have placed? That list is there here. So this is the payment list. Like when you deposit the money, that list will come here. So now this is a special occasion booking. What is the event? Party, result party, celebrations, birthday party. Booking date you have to write. So this is 2 for 2021. Timings 10:30. Number of students 25. What are the food you require that you need to write? Okay. So you required a lunch. So you need to write for lunch what all you required. Other info. Mm, lunch at 1 p.m. Right. So when you submit this, so again here is the date actually D1. Here what we done is the date time D1 is equal to date time today. This is the problem. So what I'll do is I'll just change to string here. So it's always a date and time problem. Sometime in some system it won't have problem. In some other system again it will give the problem. So better to solve it. So now you need to put it in the DDMMM format. So previously we used other way of method and here using another method. Okay. So here we say string D1 is equal to date time today dot to string DDMMM. So whatever this date it should be converted into transfer to D1 and here we transfer to the insert statement. Therefore it is in the date format, it will accept as a date format. So now I'll save this. So if I go back and if I refresh this, if there is no problem, it will save the record. Okay. So record saved successfully and then it is done. Now on the other side, if you go to admin, so now admin can able to see this order list. So you can see that 16th A1, so order is placed. And then if you go to recharge, sorry, if you go to special occasion list, so here is the birthday party, 25 seats, lunch. So you can write here complete things so therefore admin can understand all these things. And you can go to a office also. We can deposit money, receipt details, received cash. So how much cash? 2000. So then submit. Um, Sorry, again date. So here also D1 is equal to same. So what we can do is you can just go back to this where we already written the code, right? So therefore you can copy this. Yeah, this is the one. So you can come back here and then you can replace with that. So now date is in order. So save this, save this. Right. So now if I say refresh, you should accept the values. Okay. So transaction is 1003. Now you go to student and then check the balance. So 3000. So 2000 is already here. Like so now you can see that both the way it's communicating well, the student part and the admin part. So at the student level, if you do this much of work, I think you'll do the job done. Now you can improve this. Okay, there are a lot of options to improve this and then take to the real time level. All possible. Keep try this. So let me know what you're thinking. If you have any difficulties, let me know what your difficulties and all. How do we help them? For more details, please check in the description. We provide the link. So we provide a link for our website also. There you can see the complete list of projects what are available with us. Just check that one. So and also please share that video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.